Hi, this is Mary from Reviewer's Diary, and I am here with my Upcrate box number 49. Not my 49th box, it's just Upcrate's 49th box. The price is pretty reasonable. I did a lot of research before I subscribed to this box and found that it was pretty much the best value out there. It's about $25 a month. It's in euros. It does come from Germany, but it ships really fast and it gets to me really fast. So let's dive into number 49. Now, I have looked because stuff was falling out, so I did open this tissue. And what did I find? A bunch of great paint colors. Let's see. There are other things in here too that I didn't actually look at yet. So let me get this tissue out of the way. And let's get this. And, oh, there's the stickers. I'm not sure how I feel about these. I might use them. So we'll see. They do feel like you could actually color on them. And this is the sample art with the materials that were sent. And this is by Mark David Studio. Artist of the month is Mark David Spengler. This is pretty cool. But anyway, obviously they give them the colors and tell them, you know, knock yourself out and make us something. I think. I'm not sure how that works. There is a mixed media pad here. It's actually glued on 3 sides, which is good, so that your work stays nice and flat. Everything's in German, but you can go on the website by, let's see, there's usually a card in here that tells you, oh, and here it is. To get to the magazine, you use this QR code and it tells you what's in there. Click on box 49, scan the code, enter the exclusive password. Anyway, it's really cool. This paper, I've never seen anything like this, but I think that it's going to probably be nice to experiment with. And if you recall, the last box we did get some acrylic paints, and this time we got more acrylic paints, a brush, which I always love getting brushes, and Winsor Newton fine liner 0.8, so that's a pen basically. Yeah, I really like this, and I'll tell you why. Because I don't have any of these colors in the other paints, and now with these and the primary colors that I've already gotten, I can do some kind of funny creative work. The issue with this is I'm not interested in doing something like this. I'm more interested in using acrylic paint, you know, as a medium, as a regular medium, you know, to paint things and, you know, trees and leaves and stuff like that. I'm not interested in geometric stuff unless I really don't know what to draw, in which case then I do go ahead and do that. Now, this is a great bunch of stuff. I'm very happy. I'm probably only going to stay subscribed to them for the remainder of this quarter because I paid now for 2 quarters. You pay 3 months at a time, gives you a good price break. But I have so much stuff that it's just really hard to, you know, use everything. So let's put that in there. And I'm going to show you what 3 months of this box looks like. One thing that doesn't fit in the box is this tape. It's basically by Art Pays, but it's basically a masking tape that's easy to remove. Now, everything doesn't fit in here as well as I would like it to, so I'm probably going to be moving some stuff out. And you can see that I got 5 acrylics in another box, and these are all very primary colors. where these new ones are not primary colors. So that's good that these things will mix together. They're all acrylic paints, and I'm just gonna have fun trying them all. Another box, and this is 3 months worth, by the way. All this is 3 months worth of art supplies. It's like more than I can use. So anyway, this box I did buy on Amazon. If I can remember to, I'll link it down below. I think it was Amazon. It might have been Dick Blick. I might have gotten it on Amazon through Dick Blick. So anyway, this was 1 month. Came with like pencils and popsicle stick and other wacky stuff. I did get also, let's see, a regular drawing pencil by Kohinoor. And this says 25 on it. Let's see. Czechoslovakia. That's it. The only art supplies I won't buy are things from Russia, because I think, I think what a lot of people think about Russia. Anyway, this Cretacolor Mega Nero Soft pencil is freaking awesome. It's not that easy to, I have a sharpener that'll fit this also. It's not that easy to get really, really dark with a pencil. And pencil is one of the things that I do best, I think, other than oil painting, and you guys have seen my oil paints. I also got colored pencils, 3 of them, polycolor, they're all polycolor. Oh, except for this one. This is just a regular pencil, 3H. This is the colored pencil. And they're all polycolor, Kohinoor. Nope, Hardmuth, Kohinoor, Hardmuth. Anyway, I'm not going to re-record this, so let's get this straight. I've tried this eraser, and it's actually a really nice eraser. I do like it. Another box came with some of those pencils, and oh my god, came with this Art Pays Pigment Liner Black, which is awesome, and all of these watercolor paintbrush markers. There are so many colors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 colors, and any color you can think of. Awesome, awesome, awesome. I was so excited when I opened this particular box. And my very first box, I got these and a drawing pencil. It's probably one of these. And these are acrylic paintbrush pens, and I have tried these and really enjoyed these. These are really cool. You just shake them up, and they paint beautifully. They dry very fast, and they're just so much fun to play with. These I think would be good for adding a little pop of color to almost anything except oil paints. It would have to be acrylic or water-based. So anyway, that is a lot of stuff. Let me see. Can I get it all in the picture? There it is. That's a lot of stuff for 3 months worth of art supplies. With box 49, I started my 4th month. I started another quarter. Put this in there. There we go. I started another quarter, and by the way, I keep these in this box just to keep them separated from the other stuff, so that I don't mix them up with anything else. A lot of these things are going to have to go into another place. I'm thinking that the paints will go into another bin because I cannot fit everything. These things do fit right there. And these will fit in here, but I don't know that I want to keep them in there. I'm trying to decide how I want to handle my supplies so that they're readily accessible. Maybe if I put one or two in there. This box is limited, so it's just a small Skechers box. It's not really meant to hold this much stuff, but I really like this subscription. It's an awesome subscription. Get awesome stuff. Here I'm like off screen. Sorry about that. I just threw everything in there. Get lots of stuff. Got these things, and I'll be adding a brush and these really cool colors, which are different from the other colors that they sent us. These are a little bit more pastel-y looking, which is really nice because I can mix and match and handle them the same way that I would handle any of these. And a paintbrush is always good. This one is Calibri Black Line Syntex Special Edition, made in Germany. I don't think I'll ever get this cap back on, but I'm going to try. So yeah, that's a pretty nice brush. Yep, I got it. Yeah, it's a super nice brush, and I'm very happy to have that. I'm always happy to have another black writing and drawing marker. So this is a really great subscription. This was box 49 plus the 3 months worth of art supplies from my subscription. So anyway, I'm going to try to be on a little bit more often. I've had these things sitting on the side for a little while, but you know, you all know that there's some hell going on in my life right now. So I hope you'll come back. Stay tuned for more. Anyway, if you're not subscribed, please do subscribe. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And let me know what you got in your box. I think we all get the same box, but let me know how you feel about your art supplies that came in box number 49 or any of the boxes now that we have all this. Yeah, it's like so much stuff. But now that we have all of this, let me know how you feel about your art supplies that you're getting. Anyway, thank you for watching. This has been Mary with Reviewer's Diary. Sorry, this is a catch-up video, and I do plan to be on video more often. So anyway, thank you, and have a beautiful evening. Good night.